A single Christmas tree stands tall, glowing with lights in the heart of Kingston, bringing joy to thousands. But what if I told you that this iconic tradition began as a gift from Canada? The story of municipal Christmas tree lighting in Jamaica is one of tradition, unity, and cheer. It all started in 1952 when Saguenay Terminals Limited of Canada, through their local agents, Sproston's Jamaica Limited, gifted Kingston its first municipal Christmas tree. This was not just a tree, it was a beacon of hope and joy, illuminated with hundreds of colorful bulbs, accompanied by carols singing, gift-giving, and even a spectacular fireworks display. Initially placed at Victoria Park, now known as St. William Grant Park, the tree became the centerpiece of Christmas celebrations. Between 1961 and 1979, the tradition moved to George VI Memorial Park, now called National Heroes Park. However, since 1979, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation has been sourcing locally grown trees from Clydesdale, making the tradition uniquely Jamaican. Today, this tradition extends beyond Kingston. Parish capitals across the island now host their own Christmas tree lighting ceremonies, spreading festive cheer far and wide. It is a moment of unity where communities come together to celebrate the season, honor the past, and light up the future. So, the next time you see a municipal Christmas tree lighting up your city, remember the rich history behind it. Like, share, and comment below. What is your favorite memory of a Christmas tree lighting in Jamaica? Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that uncover Jamaica's vibrant history.